Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, your ultimate guide to making smart purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing with a showdown between two titans, the Anycubic Photon Mono M5s 12K resin 3D printer, or Photon Mono, and the Creality K1C 3D printer, or K1C. Buckle up because it's about to get nerdy. First up, let's talk about the price. The Photon Mono will set you back $559, while the K1C is a bit pricier at $699. So if you're looking to save some cash, you might want to stick with the Photon Mono. Unless, of course, you're like me and enjoy the thrill of living on instant noodles for a month. Now, on to print quality. The Photon Mono boasts a 12K resolution with an X accuracy of 19 microns. That's finer than a frog's hair, folks! Reviewers love its print quality, especially for detailed miniatures, though they mention a learning curve with resin settings. Meanwhile, the K1C, with its CoreXY system, promises high-speed prints without sacrificing quality. Reviewers have mixed feelings, praising its print speed but noting occasional issues with quality control. It's like comparing a high-res photo to a speed painting. Do you want your models detailed enough to see every pore, or do you just want them done before your coffee gets cold? Speaking of speed, the Photon Mono claims to be 3x faster with a speed of 105 millimeters per hour. Not bad, right? Reviewers appreciate its speed for a resin printer, though it's not the fastest out there. But the K1C laughs in the face of speed limits, boasting a max speed of 600 millimeters per second. That's 12 times faster than your average 3D printer. Reviewers are impressed with its speed, although some encountered technical issues. It's like comparing a tortoise to a cheetah on Red Bull. If you're in a hurry, the K1C is your new best friend. Ease of use is a big deal, especially if you're new to 3D printing. The Photon Mono comes with a leveling-free solution and auto device checks. It's basically the Marie Kondo of 3D printers. Everything in its place, all the time. Reviewers found it user-friendly but mentioned a learning curve with resin settings. On the other hand, the K1C has hands-free auto-calibration and an AI camera that monitors the print process. It's like having a tiny robot butler that never sleeps. Reviewers appreciate its user-friendly features but caution about potential quality control issues. Fancy, right? Special features, anyone? The Photon Mono has upgraded slicer software with an intelligent mode and one-click repair for damaged models. It's like having a magical wand that fixes all your 3D printing woes. Reviewers commend these features, although they wish for more resin settings information. The K1C, however, brings out the big guns with a clog-free direct extruder, a tri-metal nozzle, and an air purification system. Plus, it can handle carbon fiber filaments like a champ. Reviewers are excited about these features, but some faced initial defects. It's basically the Swiss Army knife of 3D printers. Overall, reviewers are pleased with the Anycubic Photon Mono M5s 12K resin 3D printer, highlighting its print quality and ease of use despite a learning curve. The Creality K1C 3D printer has impressed users with its speed and advanced features, though some have experienced quality control issues. Both printers have their unique strengths, making them suitable for different types of 3D printing enthusiasts. So there you have it, folks. The Photon Mono is your go-to for exquisite detail and user-friendliness, while the K1C is all about speed, versatility, and futuristic features. Which one should you buy? Well, that's up to you. Do you want to savor every tiny detail? Or are you in a rush to print an army of tiny action figures? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, happy shopping and happy printing. Product links are in the description.